From the dust of time, from the pages where Babylon tried burn, ancient scrolls rise again. Reveal, reveal, Jah reveal. What was hidden now come to light. Mount Zion call the righteous tonight. Me find a scroll in the valley of fire, covered in ashes, but the truth never tire. Words of the prophets, them writing a pain. Blood pon the paper, still call your name. Babylon soldiers try bury the sound. Chain up the message, hide it underground. But your breath blow like hurricane wind. Now the seal word break out again. Ancient scrolls reveal tonight. Truth where I now come to life. Reveal, reveal, Jah light. Reveal. From Mount Zion, hear the cry. Righteous stand, no more lie. Jagai, Jagai, I and I. Them say silence the voice of the chosen few, but the Lion of Judah roars straight through. Every line is a fire, we cleanse the soul. Every verse make the broken become whole. Ink from the heavens, not man design. Sacred vibration in every line. From Ethiopia roots to the ends of sea. Scroll carry power to set man free. Ancient scrolls reveal tonight. Truth where hide now come to light. Reveal, reveal, Jah light, Jah light. Reveal. Oh yeah. From Mount Zion the hear the cry. Righteous stand, no more lie. Jagai, 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 I and I. Word from creation. Fire purification. Jah word live on through every nation. Jah word live on. No chain can hold it. No king control it. Jah word live on. Forever strong. You see the elders them weep for years. Truth get buried in our blood and tears. But prophecy can't deaden our faith. Every righteous step already paid. Scroll open wide like the morning sun. Judgment day soon forward fi come. So hear me now before the trumpet sound. Stand pon the rock, no sink in a ground. Ancient scrolls reveal tonight. Truth where I now come to light. Reveal, reveal, Jah light, Jah light, Jah light. Reveal. Oh yeah. From Mount Zion hear the cry. Righteous stand, no more lie. Jagai, 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 I and I. The scroll never lie. Only man hide from truth. Reveal, reveal. No, it return. A voice cry out of the wilderness. No palace, no throne, just truth. Cry, cry, wilderness cry, cry. Prepare the way, Jah coming. But who a go listen? Me walk through desert where the sun burns slow. Barefoot prophet, nowhere fi go. Wind carry message when no man own. Still them deaf to the truth Jah show. Me voice crack dry like broken stone. Still me chant though me stand alone. Babylon city can't hear me cry. Them too deep in a wicked life. As from the wilderness calling out the Lord. Truth can't hide in a wicked crowd. Calling, calling, calling. Hear Jah call. Prepare the throne, just truth me bring. Java stronger than king. Dust to dust, but the word still live. Java, 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 forever give. Me see the road where the righteous walk. Narrow path, no easy talk. Many call but few stand firm. Most get lost in a Babylon term. Me shout till me voice nearly gone. Still me chant from dusk till dawn. If them no hear, me still proclaim. Jah truth can dead it burn like flame. Voice from the wilderness calling out loud. Truth can't hide in a wicked crowd. Calling, 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 calling. Hear Jah call. Prepare the way, make the path straight. Judgment time soon, it na go late. Jah come, Jah come, Jah come, Jah come. No escape. Even if no one here, the wilderness still carry my voice. Carry, carry, carry. Jah voice carry. Truth will find them. Not ink, not paper. This a covenant, right in a fire, 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 covenant fire. Just seal it, no man can break it. Me see the flame on the mountain high, burning bright in a midnight sky. No water quench it, no wind blow it. A Jah covenant, no room for doubt. Them try rewrite what Jah declare, but truth ignite in a open air. From Moses' time to this very day, fire still guide the righteous way. Covenant of fire burning on my soul. Jah mark the truth, Jah take control. Burning, burning, holy fire. A flame of Zion never fade. Promise Jamaican can't be unmade. Fire, fire, covenant stay. Me walk through valley where the ash them fall. Still hear the ancient prophet call. Every spark a message send. From the start straight to the end. Babylon tremble when flame arise. Truth too bright for them disguise. Them fear the heat we cleanse the sin. But Jah fire live deep within. Covenant of fire burning on my soul. Jah mark the truth, Jah take control. Burning, burning, holy fire. A flame of Zion never fade. Promise Jamaican can't be unmade. Fire, fire, covenant stay. Fire upon the altar. Rise up high. Jah flame never die. Burn out evil, purify. Jah flame testify. From the road to the sky. Fire, reach high and high. Me feel the heat in on me chest. Like judgment day, no give no rest. Every liar I go face the flame. Every soul must call Jah name. No escape from the burning truth. From the elder to the youth. Covenant seal in a blazing light. Guide the righteous through the night. Covenant of fire burning on my soul. Jah mark the truth, Jah take control. Burning, burning, holy fire. A flame of Zion never fade. Promise Jamaican can't be unmade. Fire reveal, reveal, reveal. Jah covenant, eternal. Babylon building throne pan sand, gold crown, but rotting hand. Bow down, bow down. Fire dip on the horizon, and it not come fi play. Babylon rise from blood and lies. He ain't pretty face, but truth disguise. Them sell the soul for silver and gold, but judgment fire already told. Concrete jungle, no love, no light. Holy corruption in a plain sight. Them laugh when the poor man cry, but Jah eye they watch from sky. Babylon go down, flame a come. Judgment sound like beating drum. Bow down, bow down. No more hiding, no more crown. Righteous fire, bring them down. Fall down. Fall down, fall down. Them build kingdom on wicked plan. Chain the truth and silence man. But every chain a go melt one day, when sacred fire clear the way. Prophet by them try to kill, still echo through the valley and hill. Every word like lightning strike. Babylon tremble deep inside. Fire no just be burn, fire come fi cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. From judgment come redemption. Jah redemption, Jah redemption. From the ashes rise the righteous flare. Jah call every soul by name. No more darkness, no more fear. Sacred light, no drawing near. Zion gate begin for show, where pure-hearted people go. Fire will burn, no purify. Lift iron eye up to the sky. Sacred flame, no light the way. Jah covenant forever stay. Fire, fire, holy fire. From the fall of Babylon throne, rise the truth, Jah make it known. Zion, I and I hold. Burn out evil. Lift the soul. Jah control, Jah control, Jah control, Jah control. Burn out evil. Lift the soul. Jah control, Jah control, Jah control. Fire guide I through the night. Jah light, Jah light, Jah light, Jah light, Jah light. Babylon falls, Zion rise. I and I, I and I, I and I. Babylon bow down, flame a come. No redemption, beat the drum. Bow down, bow down. From destruction to reborn, sacred fire bring you down. New dawn, new dawn, new dawn. What burn must reveal. What fall must rise. Rise, 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 rise. Hold on. High upon the hill, where no crowd gather, one voice still stand, 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 stand. Them never listen then, but truth still there. Me see him stand where the skyline break. Eyes full of fire, no sign of shake. No gold pan him, no robe, no crown. Just dust and word way, heavy like stone. Hilltop silence, breeze cut deep. While Babylon city fast asleep. Him show truth, but them walk past by. Still him voice reach up in a sky. Prophet on the hill still calling. listening. Calling. Truth can't dead, it still reveal. Even when them refuse to feel. Reveal. Yeah. One man stand, no fear inside. Jah dey by him side. Hilltop cry. Truth can't hide. From the dust to the sky. Same hilltop, same old prayer. Wind carry words through valley low. Some still deaf, but some now know. Seed him plant begin to rise through the cracks where truth survive. Know him stand there all alone. Jah turn that hill into a throne. Prophet on the hill still calling. No, the people start to listening. Calling. Truth can't dead, it still reveal. No, the broken start to feel. Reveal. Even if one year, that enough. Jah word never waste. From the fire come new life. From the struggle come the seed. Righteous seed. What Jah plant, no man can uproot. Me see the seed drop in a dry ground. No rainfall, still I found. Through the cracks where pain once lived, just send strength for the root to give. From prophet cry upon lonely hill. No, the word spread quiet still. What was hidden start to grow. In our hearts we're ready to know. Righteous seed no grow inside. Jah light shining, can't deny. Grow, let it grow. From the root it reach the sky. Truth no living I and I. No more fear like years before. No, the people start restore. Broken soul begin to mend. Through the word Jah always send. Every seed carry the flame. Every heart no call Jah name. From the dust rise unity. Roots spread wide eternally. Righteous seed no grow inside. Jah light shining, can't deny. Grow, let it grow. From the root it reach the sky. Truth no living I and I. Plant the truth deep in our soul. Let it grow. Water it with faith untold. Let it grow. From the root to the ground. Jah light spread all around. Jah light a plan.
Must grow. Must grow.
Forever.
Must grow. Must grow.
After the fall, Jah kingdom must come.
Come, come, kingdom come.
No king above the Most High.
Come, come, kingdom come.
Me see the throne where the righteous sit. No corruption, no counterfeit. Golden light but no gold chain. Only freedom, no more pain. From the dust where the suffering grow. Now a higher place we know. Babylon falls, Zion rise. Truth now clear before me eyes. Your kingdom come, let it be done. On earth same way as the sun.
Come, come, kingdom come.
No more war,
No more fear.
Jah presence
Everywhere,
everywhere.
everywhere.
No more chains on mind and soul. Jah alone now take control. Every broken heart now heal. Every hidden truth reveal. From the root to the highest height. All now bathed in Jah light. What was lost now found again. Through the joy and through the pain. Jah kingdom come,
Let it be done.
on earth same way as the sun.
Come, come, kingdom come.
No more war,
No more fear.
Jah presence
Everywhere,
everywhere.
everywhere. Lift up the name,
Jah most high,
Most High.
most high, most high. From the earth to the sky, I and I,
I and I.
I and I. Kingdom rise, never fall. Just stand over all. Me see the children laugh again. No more hunger, no more pain. Every tribe now join as one under Jah eternal Son. What was promised now revealed. Every righteous heart now sealed. From beginning to the end, Jah kingdom shall not bend. Jah kingdom come,
Let it be done.
on earth same way as the sun.
Come, come, kingdom come.
No more war,
No more fear.
Jah presence
Everywhere,
everywhere.
everywhere.
Kingdom no built by man. It live in I and I.
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 I and I. I and I.
I and I.
Oh. You step close, but the fire never consume. Flame burn, but the bush still bloom. Burn, burn, sacred burn. Jah I speak through the flame. Me see the fire dancing a night. No smoke choke, just holy light. Me afraid fi move, me afraid fi speak. Still Jah call to the humble and weak. From the root the flame arise. No destruction in our eyes. Only truth will purify. Burn through flesh but lift the eye. Burning bush chant, Jah call me name. Through the fire me feel no shame. Chant, chant, sacred chant, 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 chant. Flame no destroy it, cleanse the soul. Jah reveal what man can control. Fire, fire, hey, take control. Me drop me pride pon the dusty ground. Every ego get burned right down. Voice from the flame say walk in truth. From the elder straight to the youth. No more hiding, no more mask. Every question get the answer asked. Jah no speak in a thunder loud, but quiet fire will break the proud. Hey, burning bush chant, Jah call me name. Through the fire me feel no shame. Chant, 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 sacred chant, 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 chant. Flame no destroy it, cleanse the soul. Jah reveal what man can control. Fire, fire, hey, take control. Fire speak, me hear the word.
Jah word, Jah word.
In a silence, be heard. Be heard, take off shoes. Holy ground, holy ground.
Holy ground.
Jah presence all around, all around,
All around.
all around, all around. Me rise again, but me not the same. Everything changed to the flame. What me seek, me finally find. Jah write truth pa me heart and mind. No more fear of night or day. Sacred fire now lead the way. Even when the world seem cold, Jah flame inside never grow old. Whoa,
Burning bush chant, Jah call me name.
Jah call me
Through
name.
the fire me feel no shame.
Me feel no shame.
Chant,
Chant,
sacred chant.
chant, chant, chant. Flame no destroy.
Cleanse the soul.
Jah reveal what man
Can't control.
can control.
Fire,
Fire,
take control.
me walk away, but the fire stay, 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 stay inside I. Take control. Through the valley, Jah carry I. Through the fire, me still alive, alive, alive. It's a psalm of deliverance. Me walk through road where darkness stay. No light shine to guide me away. Burden heavy upon me soul. Still Jah hand never let me go. Through the storm and raging sea, Jah still stand right next to me. Even when me nearly fall, still me hear the ancient call. Psalm of deliverance me sing tonight. Jah bring me out into the light.
Light, light, Jah light.
From the pain, from the chains, Jah wash away all my stains.
Wash away.
Wash away, wash away. Me remember days, me cry alone. steady home. But Jah whisper through the night, hold the faith, everything alright. Now me stand with grateful heart, see the blessing from the start. Every scar now tell the story of Jah mercy and Him glory. Psalm of deliverance me sing tonight. Jah bring me out into the light.
Light, light, Jah light.
Jah light, Jah light. From the pain, from the chains, Jah wash away all the stains.
Wash away,
Wash away, wash away. Give thanks,
give thanks, give thanks,
give thanks.
give thanks, give thanks, give thanks.
All the life, Jah preserve,
Jah preserve,
Jah preserve.
Jah preserve.
From the pit, Jah lift high.
Lift high, lift
Me
high.
see the light through every tear. No, me know Jah always near. Even when me could not see, Him was working silently. No, me voice lift up in praise through the night and through the days. From captivity me free, Jah deliver I and I. Psalm of deliverance me sing tonight. Jah bring me out into the light.
Light, light, Jah light.
Jah light, Jah light. From the pain, from the chains, Jah wash away all the stains.
Wash away,
Wash away, wash away.
give thanks,
For every breath,
give thanks, give thanks.
deliverance.
Complete.
Hear that sound? Not music, a warning.
Sound, 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 sound.
Zion trumpet blow.
Time done now.
Time done now. Trumpet sound from the eastern sky. Wake up soul, no more lie. Every sleep I feel rise. Judgement written in a disguise. No more time for hide again. Truth no fall like burning rain. Every secret I feel show when the Zion trumpet blow. Trumpets of Zion sound tonight. Call the righteous to the light.
Sound, 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 sound.
No escape from Jah decree. Every soul must answer be. Answer,
Answer,
answer.
answer.
Oh, me hear the blast, shake the ground. Even mountains start to bow down. Sea and sky begin to move. Jah command them can't refuse. Babylon walls start to crack. No more turning, no going back. Everything where falls, I go fall. When the trumpet make the call.
Trumpets of Zion sound tonight.
Call the righteous to the light.
Sound, 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 sound.
No escape from Jah decree. Every soul must answer be. Answer,
Answer,
answer.
answer.
unfair. Righteous stand, wicked fall. Jah alone now rule it all. Every vice I go confess. Who live truth and who live mess. When the trumpet echo loud, no more hiding in a crowd.
Trumpets of Zion sound tonight.
Call the righteous to the light.
Sound, 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 sound. No escape from Jah decree.
Every soul must answer be.
Answer, answer,
Answer.
answer.
When the trumpet sound, you can't run, run.
Run, run, run.
Run.
Run, run, run.
The walls, them high, but them hollow inside.
Walls, walls.
Babylon, your foundation weak. Walls of Babylon reach to the sky, but truth alone them can't defy. Built on greed and vanity, no roots in a reality. Stone by stone them stack them lie. Think them power never die, but every brick start to shake when the righteous truth awake. Walls of Babylon falling down. Jah fire shake the wicked town.
Fall down, fall down.
No more shelter, no more crown. All deception hit the ground,
Hit the ground, hit the ground.
ha! Me see the cracks run deep inside, where them secrets try to hide. Gold and power can't repair what was rotten from long year. Watchman shout but none would hear. Now them tremble in a fear. From the tower to the gate, every pillar seal them fate. Walls of Babylon falling down. Jah fire shake the wicked town.
Fall down, fall down.
No more shelter, no more crown. All deception hit the ground,
Hit the ground.
hit the ground. Hey, 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 hey. Break the wall, hey. Shake the stone, hey. Shake the stone, hey. Shake the stone, hey. False kingdom overthrown, overthrown, overthrown from the root to the crown. All fall down,
All fall down.
all fall down. Stone crash down like thunder roll. The snow cover every throne. Every system built on lie. No collapse before the eye. No escape, no place to run. Under Jah, eternal sun. What stand tall now disappear. Truth alone remain clear. Walls of Babylon
Falling down.
Jah fire shake the wicked town.
Fall down, fall down.
No more shelter, no more crown. All deception hit the ground, hit the ground, hit the ground. When the wall fall,
Truth stand.
when the wall fall,
Truth stand.
bullet, no blade. Still it got deeper. Cut, cut.
Word of Jah. Word of Jah.
Me carry truth in a me mouth. No fear not, no fear so. Every word like lightning strike, split the dark and show the light. No weapon formed by human hand can withstand your command. Through the lies it carve away, bring the hidden into day. Sword of the spirit, sharp and true, cut through lies and make them new. Cut, 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 cut. No disguise can stand the flame. Every soul must face them name. Face it, face it. Babylon speak with twisted tongue. Know them silence one by one. Every falsehood start to fall when the truth make righteous call. Me no fight with flesh and bone, but the word where Jah make known. Pierce the heart and cleanse the mind. Leave no wickedness behind. Sword of the spirit, sharp and true, cut through lies and make them new. Cut, 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 no. No disguise can stand the flame. Every soul must face them name. Face it, face it. Word of the blade, truth of the fire. Me see the system tear apart. Truth no strike the hidden heart. Every mass now fall away. Nothing left for I today. No escape from what is real. Every soul know how to feel. Sword no kill but it reveal. Who stand firm and who will kneel. Sword of the spirit, sharp and true, cut through lies and make them new. Cut, 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 no. No disguise can stand the flame. Every soul must face them name. Face it, face it. Truth always find you. Word of Jah, 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 find you. Before man born, it was written. No hand can change it now. Me see the scroll roll open wide. Every truth them try to hide. Line by line it clear and plain. Who walk lost and who gain. Every deed them ever do. Mark and seal, nothing new. From the rich to the poor man cry. All recorded in a Jah. Judgment scroll revealed tonight. Every wrong and every right. Reveal, reveal. Them never think the day would show when the hidden afterglow. Every whisper, every lie, no exposed before the eye. No defense and no disguise. Truth now burn before them eyes. From the throne to the street below, everything Jah already know. Judgment scroll reveal tonight. Every wrong and every right.
Reveal, reveal.
Blood.
Reveal, reveal.
No escape from what is right. Jah decree stand firm and tight.
Right, right.
Right.
Right, right.
Line by line, truth unfold, unfold.
Unfold.
From the young to the old,
To all
every soul must face them road.
them roll.
Me see the righteous name shine bright, written clear in a Jah light, while the wicked fade away like shadow at the break of day. No more question, no debate. Every soul now face them fate. Scroll complete, it can't rewrite. Truth stand tall in eternal sight. Judgment scroll reveal tonight. Every wrong and every right.
Reveal, reveal.
Now,
Reveal, reveal.
whoa, whoa, no escape from what is right. Jah decree stand firm and tight.
Right, right.
Right.
Right, right.
He done right
Long before now.
long before now.
Long time.
Long time.
Long time.
Long time it right. Before the first breath,
Right, right.
no man can rub it out. Me see the scroll crack open wide. Every truth them try to hide. Line by line it burns so clear. Every deed recorded here. From the king to the common man, all included in a Jah plan. No escape from the written page. Ancient word from age to age. Judgment scroll open tonight. Every wrong now face the right.
Open, open.
No more hiding, no more mask. Every soul now face the task.
Face it, face it.
Them never think it would a show. All the things them hide below. Every whisper, every lie, no exposed before the eye. Silver tongue can't save them now. No more time for fake or bow. Truth stand tall and cut so deep. Wake the soul from wicked sleep. Judgment scroll open tonight. Every wrong now face the right.
Open, open.
No more hiding, no more mask. Every soul now face the task.
Face it, face it.
Read the line. Yeah, the call. Yeah, the call. Big or small.
Stand up, fall.
Stand up, fall. Stand up, fall. Truth reveal.
To one and all.
One and all. One and all. We see the righteous name them glow, while the wicked fade below. Like shadow when the morning rise. Truth no clear before our eyes. No debate and no defense. Every act now make full sense. Scroll complete, it can't erase. Every soul must find them place.
Judgment scroll open tonight.
Every wrong now face the right.
Open, open, no more hiding,
No more mask. Every soul now face the task.
face it, face it.
It done right from long time,
Long time,
long time,
long time,
long time.
long time.
We reach the crossroads. No sign, no guide. Crossroads. Only truth stand before I. Hey. Two roads splitting at the dust. One is truth and one is lust. No more mask and no disguise. Everything clear before me eyes. Me feel the weight beneath me feet. Choice decide who I will be. No more running from the call. Stand firm or surely fall. Crossroads of judgment, choose your way. No more time for drift astray. Choose righteous path or wicked road. Every soul must bear them load.
Bear it,
Bear it.
bear it.
Me see the many hesitate, standing still before them fate. Fear all type on them mind. Still them know the truth inside. Some turn left and some turn right. Some get lost in endless night. Body oh I know wait again. Judgment fall upon every man. Crossroads of judgment, choose your way. No more time for drift astray. Choose, choose. Righteous path or wicked road. Every soul must bear them load.
Bear it,
Bear it.
bear it.
Left or right, truth or lie. Choose your side, choose your side. Stand firm, no, no deny,
No deny,
no deny. From the earth,
to the sky,
I and
I and I.
Me plant me foot on righteous ground, where Jah truth alone resound. No more doubt inside me soul. Jah alone no take control. Me see the light guide the way, through the dark into the day. Crossroad pass me, choose me side. Knowing truth alone me right. Crossroads of judgment, choose your way. No more time for drift astray. Choose righteous path. Me choose today. Jah alone now lead me way.
Lead me way,
Lead me way.
lead me way.
Every soul choose. No escape.
No escape.
No escape. Through the fire, through the storm,
Glory,
Jah place the crown. Me walk through pain, me never break. Hold me faith for righteousness' sake. Now me stand where the light shine bright, where the darkness lose the fight. No more chain around me soul. Jah alone now take control. Every scar now testify to the strength inside I. Crown pan I, Jah set it so. From the dust now me rise and grow. Crown pan I, crown pan I. Show the fire me testify.
No, me stand with crown pan I.
Pan I, pan I. Me remember darkest night,
Searching hard,
we find the light. But your voice never fade, even when me feel afraid. Through this struggle, me get wise. Know me see through clearer eyes. Every step was far the way, lead me to this very day. Crown pan I, Jah set it so. From the dust now me rise and grow.
crown pan I.
Crown pan I. Through the fire me testify.
No, me stand with crown pan I.
Pan I, pan I. Give thanks,
Jah, Jah, provide,
provide.
provide.
Lift I up from inside,
From inside,
from inside.
from inside.
Crown no buy,
Crown no sell,
Jah give I will,
Jah give I will,
Jah give I will.
Jah give I will.
Me see the righteous rise again, free from sorrow, free from pain. Every tear no washed away, under Jah eternal day. Me no fear, no night again. Me no bound by wicked chain. Crown no rest pan I and I, under Jah eternal sky. Crown pan I, Jah set it so. From the dust now me rise and grow.
Crown pan I,
Oh,
crown pan I.
through the fire me testify.
No, me stand with crown pan I.
Pan I, pan I. Jah crown, no man can take.
No take, no take.
Not all fire destroy. Some fire purify. Fire, fire, holy fire, descend now. Flame from Zion touch the ground, burn out lies all around. No more shadow left to hide. Fire walk right through inside. Me feel the heat within me chest. Cleanse the soul and give me rest. Every sin get burned away. Leave only truth fi stay. Holy fire descend tonight. Cleanse the dark and bring the light. Descend, descend, burn it out, make it pure. Jah flame forever endure. Fire, fire. Babylon ashes in a wind. All corruption need to end. Every system purify. Under Jah all-seeing eye. Me no run, me stand me ground. Let the fire burn around. What is true will still remain. Everything else gone in flame. Holy fire descend tonight. Cleanse the dark and bring the light. Descend, descend, burn it out, make it pure. Jah flame forever endure. Fire, fire. Burn it clean, make it right.
Make it right, make it right.
Through the dark, bring the light.
Bring the light, bring the light.
From the root to the sky.
I and I, I and I.
I and I, I and I. Me rise through the flame reborn, like the light before the dawn. Every burden left behind, holy truth inside me mind. No more fear and no more chain. I release through sacred flame. Holy fire seal the way. Guide I and I to brighter day. Holy fire descend tonight. I cleanse the dark and bring the light. Descend, descend, burn it out, make it pure. Jah flame forever endure. Fire, fire. Through the fire, we become pure, pure, pure. Through the fire, we become pure, 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 pure. From the four corners, Jah calling people, gather, gather, come home to Zion. Me see them come from near and far, guided by the ancient star. Every tribe and every tongue sing the same redemption song. No more war and no divide. No, we stand side by side. Through the fire we survive. Now together we arrive. Assembly of Zion gather round. Jah people stand on holy ground. Gather, gather. From the east to the west we come. Under we know our one. We see the broken now made whole. Peace now live in every soul. Chains are gone, fear disappear. Jah presence strong and clear. From the valley to the throne. No more walking all alone. Every heart now beat as one. Under Jah eternal Son. Assembly of Zion gather round. Jah people stand on holy ground. Gather, gather, gather. From the east to the west we come. Under Jah we know our one. One love,
One heart,
no divide,
no part.
lift it up
From the start,
from the start.
from the start.
Zion call,
We respond,
all as one.
all as one.
We see the children laugh again, free from sorrow, free from pain. Every voice knows singing tune. From the beginning to the ending, forever, forever. Jah covenant never break. Long before the world was formed, Jah word stand through every storm. Not by ink and not by hand, but by truth no man can bend. From the fire to the light, through the day and through the night, every promise Jah declare still remain forever clear. Everlasting covenant stand, Jah word firm across the land. Forever, forever. No more breaking, no more fall. Jah seal the promise over all. Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall. Me see the people walk in peace. All this struggle no release. Every heart aligned as one under Jah eternal sun. No more fear and no more doubt. Jah word never fade out. What was spoken long ago, still alive and still it grow. Everlasting covenant stand, Jah word firm across the land. Forever, forever. No more breaking, no more fall. Jah seal the promise over all. Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall. From the root to eternity, eternity, eternity. Jah word live endlessly, endlessly, endlessly. No beginning, no end. Amen, 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 amen. Me stand firm pon sacred ground, where the truth alone resound. Every journey now complete, Jah covenant full and sweet. From the dust to the divine, all no moving perfect line. Nothing lost and nothing stray. Jah word guide the final way. Everlasting covenant stand, Jah word firm across the land. Forever, forever. Oh, no more breaking, no more fall. Jah seal the promise over all. Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall. It was written, it remains.